Hey guys, it's Alexis, Sophie Leather. All right, I'm testing out this new GoPro Max, all right? And it's 360, so feel free to move your phone around. You can see my table. Hopefully you can see over there on the left, the clicker, and on the right, my right, sewing machine and my other little table. You can also move it around with your finger as well. I'm just curious to see what this looks like. Let me know if you guys like this kind of thing. Right now, I have it suctioned to my TV, which I don't know if you can see, but I'm buying a mount. I could put a tripod here on my table so you get a better view all around. I don't know. This might be good. I don't know. But anyways, I'm just testing this out. Working. Check this out right here. I am working. Hello, everyone. I bought this really for, I bought this for real estate videos, those driving tours that I'm doing. I did a couple of trial runs and I just set it on top of my truck and I drive around the city so people can actually stop and take a tour. Also, you can actually pause the video and still look around. So I'm just testing it out here with you guys. Let me know what you think. But I think this is pretty cool. I think I can use this application for leatherwork somehow. I don't know how, if that's even, you know, a good thing or not, I don't know. But let me know what you guys think about this. Alrighty? That's all I got for you. Maybe if I take, that's all I got, bye.